like, light, life, live, line, lie, lies. What? Okay, now let's practice. Like. I like it. I like it. I like you. I like you. 2. Light. Turn on the light, please. Turn on the light, please. I see the light. I see the light. I feel the light. 3. Life. I love my life. Or my life, my color.
My life, my color.
Life is so hard nowadays, but many people believe it's beautiful. Life is beautiful, although it's so hard nowadays. 4. Live show, live concert, live stream. Okay, it's a live show, it's a live concert. 5. Line. Okay, wait in a line, please. Wait in a line, please. Wait in a line, please. Stand in a line, please. Lie. No ending sound. Lie. Don't tell a lie. Many people believe that telling a lie is not good. Many people believe that telling a lie is not good. Last one. Lights are tiny. Lights are tiny. I don't like lights. We don't like lights. But good job, well done. Keep practicing.
Enjoy English.